This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and what I have for you today is an OKG brand dual sliding bolt padlock. This retails on Amazon for $70 and is made of cast stainless steel. It comes with a case which seems a bit unnecessary to me and has a disc detainer core. Once you open that core, it pops out and then both shackles can be opened. Those two shackles are likely intended for either end of a bulky chain. Sometimes that can make it easier to align everything when locking up, but at the cost of weight, complexity, and a higher price. So, let's see what it takes to open this up. The first thing I'm going to do is turn all of those discs as far clockwise as they'll go. Then I'm going to get the pick that Bosnian Bill and I made and insert it such that we are tensioning off of disc number 1. Okay, let's go to disc 2. Might have had a little click there. 3 is binding, little click there. 4 is binding very tightly. I think 4 is set. 5 is binding. Click there, and we got this open, though that felt really mushy and draggy, like I didn't have all the discs aligned but forced it anyway. We need to check something. Okay, this is a light. Okay, just as I thought. You pick enough of these locks, you get to know that feeling. The inner sleeve on this is plastic. This is a Covert Instruments cutaway of a reputable disc detainer lock. And this is the part we're talking about. This metal sleeve on this OKG lock is made out of plastic. Doing this means it will wear out more quickly, and it also opens it up to some heat and force attacks. It obviously also makes it a lock to avoid, in my opinion. In any case, that's all I have for you today. Okay, folks, I couldn't just leave it there because a long time ago, I made this tool specifically to force open disc detainer locks with plastic sleeves. I dug it out so we could try it on this lock. It's a semi-destructive attack because it deforms the plastic inside, but sometimes the lock will work just fine afterwards. So, let's give it a try. Okay, that moved a little bit, but oh, there we go, we got it open. Okay, folks, I think you can see the problem with plastic sleeved locks. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.